When you think of compact luxury SUVs, one name that's been a consistent favorite for years is the Audi Q3. It's practical, stylish, and packed with just enough tech and performance to keep both city drivers and weekend adventurers happy. Now, in 2026, Audi has given the Q3 a thoughtful refresh. Not a complete overhaul, but just enough to make it feel modern, competitive, and true to the brand's reputation. So today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2026 Audi Q3. What's new? What's better? And is it worth your attention? Let's get into it. At first glance, the 2026 Q3 doesn't look drastically different from the outgoing model, but the updates are there, and they matter. Audi sharpened the front fascia with more angular grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a redesigned bumper that gives the Q3 a slightly more aggressive, sportier look. Along the sides, you'll notice new wheel options, ranging from 18 to 20 inches, and subtle tweaks to the body lines for better aerodynamics. The rear end also get a mild update with sleeker taillights and a revised lower bumper. Overall, the Q3 still carries its signature Audi look, clean, premium, and confidently understated. You won't get radical design here, but that's not what Audi's going for. This is about refinement, and they nailed it. Step inside, and this is where the Q3 really starts to shine. Audi's interiors have always been a strong point, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. You get high-quality materials throughout, soft-touch surfaces, optional leather upholstery, brushed aluminum or natural wood trim, depending on the package you choose. The center console is redesigned slightly for better usability. The 10.1-inch touchscreen remains, now with a sharper interface and haptic feedback for a more tactile experience. There's also a new ambient lighting system with customizable colors to set the mood. Front seats are well bolstered, supportive, and heated by default. You can also opt for ventilation and memory functions. Rear seat space is decent for a compact SUV, with enough headroom and legroom for 2 adults on longer trips, or 3 for shorter city drives. Cargo space remains competitive, with about 23.5 cubic feet behind the second row, expanding to nearly 50 with the seats folded. It's practical without being bulky. Technology is a huge part of what makes the 2026 Q3 feel premium. The digital instrument cluster, Audi's virtual cockpit, is now standard, offering crisp graphics and customizable layouts. Whether you want to focus on navigation, performance data, or media, it's all right there in front of you. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with wireless charging and USB-C ports front and rear. There's also an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system that absolutely elevates the driving experience. Crisp highs, punchy bass, and crystal clear vocals. Audi also introduces an updated voice assistant that can handle natural language better than before. Say things like, "I'm cold," or "Find me a coffee shop," and the system responds intuitively. If you want a tech-forward cabin without overcomplicating the experience, the Q3 hits a sweet spot. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi Q3 offers a couple of familiar powertrains. The base engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder producing around 190 horsepower, paired with Audi's 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Step up to the Q3 45 TFSI, and you get a stronger version of the same engine, tuned for about 228 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. Quattro all-wheel drive is standard across all trims, which is a big deal for people who live in colder climates or just want better handling. Acceleration is brisk for the segment. The more powerful engine gets you from 0 to 60 in about 6.8 seconds. Not blistering, but quick enough for everyday driving and highway merges. Steering is light but precise, and the ride is smooth, even on rougher roads. This isn't a sporty SUV in the traditional sense, but it balances comfort and control very well. Fuel economy is also respectable, with estimates around 24 miles per gallon city and 30 highway. Audi is known for making safety a priority, and the 2026 Q3 comes with a full suite of driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking sensors. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control with lane centering, a 360-degree camera system, and traffic sign recognition. It's not quite fully autonomous, but it's definitely close to hands-off in stop-and-go traffic. You feel supported, but not overwhelmed by tech. So, where does the 2026 Q3 fit in the larger picture? It competes with the BMW X1, Mercedes-Benz GLA, Volvo XC40, and even some higher-end versions of the Mazda CX-5 or Genesis GV70. Among these, the Q3 stands out with its blend of premium feel, manageable size, and all-weather confidence thanks to standard AWD. Pricing starts around $39,000 and can climb up to $50,000 plus with options. It's not cheap, but you're paying for quality, design, and brand prestige, and the Q3 delivers on all three fronts. Closing thoughts, 9 to 10 o'clock. To wrap things up, the 2026 Audi Q3 doesn't reinvent the wheel, but refines it in all the right ways. It's stylish without being flashy, luxurious without being over the top, and tech-savvy without being confusing. It's the kind of SUV that fits into your life seamlessly, whether you're commuting, traveling, or just running errands. If you're in the market for a compact luxury SUV that feels like a true Audi inside and out, the Q3 deserves a spot on your test drive list. Let us know in the comments. What do you think of the new Q3? Is it enough of an upgrade, or were you expecting more? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews like this one. A fresh face with familiar roots. At first glance, the redesigned 2026 Audi Q3 might seem like it's just following the footsteps of its bigger siblings. But look a little closer, and there's more going on. Audi's most affordable SUV is getting a meaningful update, not just in size, but in attitude. With a slightly larger footprint and a bolder, more athletic body, the Q3 now echoes the sharp design language of the gas-powered Q5 and its all-electric cousin, the Q6 e-tron. Although the first reveal is aimed at the German market, we've gotten a solid look at what the next-gen Q3 brings to the table. And there's plenty to unpack, even ahead of its U.S. debut in 2026. Bigger presence, even if it barely grew, despite only minor increases in its actual size. 1.8 inches longer, 0.4 inches wider, and just a tenth of an inch taller. The new Q3 looks significantly more mature and upscale. Credit goes to the split headlight design shared with the Q5 and Q6, pronounced fender flares, and new twists at the rear. Teardrop-shaped elements under the taillights that nod to the sleek e-tron GT sedan. Don't expect major changes in interior space, though. The cargo room appears to hold steady with the current model's U.S. numbers. 23.7 cubic feet with the rear seats up and 48 with them down. Still, the visual impact is undeniable. This Q3 looks and feels like a bigger, more serious SUV. A quartet of powertrains, but only one for the U.S. In Europe, the Q3 lineup is getting a buffet of options. There's a 1.5-liter turbo with 147 horsepower and a mild hybrid system, a punchier 2.0-liter with 262 horsepower, and even a diesel, which we won't see here. But the highlight is the new Q3 hybrid, a plug-in hybrid pushing 268 horsepower and an estimated 75 miles of all-electric range on the WLTP cycle. Real-world EPA numbers will likely be lower, but even a 50-mile range would be impressive for a PHEV in this class. Unfortunately, none of those engines are headed to the U.S., at least not yet. American buyers will likely stick with the same 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder found in the current Q3, good for 228 horsepower and 251 lb-ft of torque. Audi hasn't confirmed that setup will carry over unchanged or get power bump, but expect it to remain paired with an 8-speed automatic and optional quattro all-wheel drive. No fancy Euro market dual clutch here. A familiar cabin with a wild twist. Inside, the Q3 plays the Audi greatest hits. Clean lines, soft-touch materials, and tech that looks like it belongs in 2026. Two big screens dominate the dashboard, an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.8-inch central touchscreen. But then there's the shifter, or lack thereof. Instead of traditional gear lever, Audi has moved transmission controls to a pair of fixed wings behind the steering wheel, where paddle shifters would normally be. It's an unconventional setup. The right wing handles gear selection, while the left wing manages turn signals, wipers, high beams, and more, with a mix of buttons, switches, and rotary knobs. It's a bold experiment, and frankly, it might be a love it or hate it affair. Until we can test it ourselves, we'll reserve judgment. But reinventing things like turn signals and shifters, systems that already work well, feels like a risky play. When can you buy one, and for how much? The 2026 Audi Q3 lands in Germany later this year, but the U.S. launch won't happen until sometime in 2025. Pricing is still a mystery, especially with shifting tariffs and Audi's evolving EV strategy. Still, don't expect anything drastic. The Q3 is Audi's entry-level SUV in the U.S., and it's likely to stay competitively priced against rivals like the Acura ADX, Lexus NX, BMW X1, and Mercedes GLA. In short, the Q3 may be Audi's smallest SUV, but for 2026, it's aiming to make a much bigger impression.